The next subtropical fruit crop is the lychee. Scientific name is Lychee chinensis. It is the queen of subtropical fruits, fruit of high commerce. Which fruit is called the queen of subtropical fruits? Lychee, fruit of high commerce. Lychee chinensis, family is Sapindaceae, 2x or 2n equal to 30, chromosome number equal to 30, origin is South China, have juicy pulp or aril. Juicy pulp of lychee is called aril. Lychee is mostly used for table purpose or also can be used for dried or canned lychee. Rich in vitamin C, 40 to 90 milligram per 100 gram vitamin C, calcium 0.21%, anthocyanin red colored skin, organic acid, malic acid 80%, 60% of juice, 80% of rag, 90% of seed and 13% of skin. Which type of organic acid is present in lychee? Malic acid 80%. 60% of juice, 8% of rag, 19% of seed and 13% of skin. Fruits having same family as lychee or related species of lychee: longan fruit, rambutan and lychee. Longan fruit and rambutan. Fruit lychee reach in India in 17th century. Largest producer in the world, first is China, first largest producer of lychee, then India second. Largest producer in India based on area, production and productivity, first is Bihar, then West Bengal, then Assam. Production from India 92,000 tons, export from India 2,000 tons. Production 92,000 tons and export 2,000 tons. Data from NHB 2011 to 12. Lychee cultivation is most suitable for in moist atmosphere, wet spring, dry summer, light winter. Moist atmosphere, wet spring, dry summer and light winter. Growth temperature 30 degrees Celsius, flowering and fruiting temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Soil deep, well drained, rich in organic matter soil type, loam or sandy loam or clay loam. pH of soil, optimum soil pH 5.5 to 7. Soil testing should be done. High lime in the soil for good lychee cultivation. High lime in the soil. Propagation of lychee by seeds. Seeds propagated plants bear fruits in 7 to 12 years. Commercial propagation by tissue culture, HDP or high density planting, and then vegetative by air layering. Air layering is the most common and easiest method on 1 year old shoot. Appropriate time for propagation of by air layering July to August. Rootstock used for air layering: lychee philippinensis. IBA, indole butyric acid at the rate 200 ppm is used in air layering for effective rooting. Other methods are stooling, apical grafting, approach grafting, shield budding. So propagation first is by seeds. Seed propagated plants, lychee plants bear fruits in 7 to 12 years. Commercial propagation by tissue culture, high density planting or HDP, and then vegetative methods. Most easiest and common method is air layering on 1 year old shoot. Appropriate time for propagation by air layering July to October. Rootstock chosen for air layering: lychee philippinensis, IBA indole butyric acid. Indole butyric acid at the rate 200 ppm is used in air layering for effective rooting. Other methods for under vegetative propagation in lychee are stooling, apical grafting, approach grafting, shield budding. Cultivation: peat size 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Planting system is square system. Spacing for normal spacing 10 meter into 10 meter. Spacing for protection against frost and wind 7.5 meter into 7.5 meter. Normal 10 into 10. Protection against frost and wind 7.5 into 7.5. Square system type of planting. Spread FYM at the rate 20 to 25 kg plus bone meal at the rate 2 kg plus sulfate and potash at the rate 400 gram during planting. New plants should be inoculated with mycorrhizal fungi. Which type of bacterial agent are used for the inoculation of new plants? Mycorrhizal fungi. Fertilizer application: trees, age, years, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, gram per tree. 1 year old plant 75 gram nitrogen, 25 gram phosphorus and 75 gram potassium. 2 years old plant 100, 25, 100 NPK. 3 year old plants 150, 50, 150. 4-year-old plants 250, 75, 250. 5-year-old plants 250, 75, 250. More than 6-year-old plants 600, 200, 250. Irrigation system. Irrigation is done by drippers or micro sprinklers. Irrigation from flowering to completion of post-harvest flush. Interval of irrigation duration 7 to 10 days from panicle emergence to fruit harvest or appearing of post-harvest flush. So irrigation is done by drippers or micro sprinklers from flowering to completion of post-harvest flush. Interval duration during irrigation 7 to 10 days from panicle emergence to fruit harvest or to appearance of post-harvest flush. Weed control by mulching, chipping, spot spraying with herbicides like glyphosate at the rate 5 to 10 milliliter per liter, paraquat at the rate 1 to 6 milliliter per liter plus a waiter at the rate 1.25 milliliter per liter control grasses and broad-leaved weeds. Then mixed cropping and intercropping. Spot spraying with herbicides. Mulching, chipping, herbicide, glyphosate, paraquat plus a waiter. Control grasses and broad-leaved weeds. Training, making a good shape and strong framework by removing dead and diseased branches and shoots. Removal of dead and diseased branches are included in training. Pruning improves yield and quality of fruits. In India, pruning occurs indirectly when a part of shoot bearing the cluster of fruit is removed during harvesting. Pruning can also be done indirectly in North India, in India, when a part of shoot bearing the cluster of fruit is removed during harvesting. Then girdling is done in September. Indian farmers girdle the branches or trunk, cut the branches or trunk of lychee trees to enhance flowering and fruiting. Cut or girdle the branches or trunk of lychee trees to enhance the flowering and fruiting. Girdling is done in September. Maturity indices or maturity index. Fruits turn deep red in color, flattening of tubercles and smoothening of apical. Maturity time 50 to 60 days. So maturity indices or index. Fruits turn deep red in color, flattening of tubercles, smoothening of apical. Time 50 to 60 days. Maturity time. Harvesting time May to June. Style of harvesting. Fruits bunch along with a portion of branch and a few leaves. Harvesting time May to June. Style fruits bunch along with a portion of branch with a few leaves. Yield 80 to 150 kg fruits per tree. How much yield? 80 to 150 kg fruits per tree. Storage, temperature of storage 0 to 1 degree Celsius. Cold storage can also be used. Relative humidity for storage 80 to 85%. Storage life 3 to 4 weeks. Storage temperature 0 to 1 degree Celsius. Relative humidity for storage 80 to 85%. Storage life 3 to 4 weeks. And cold storage can also be used for lychee cultivation. Grade used in lychee: extra class grade, grade 1 and grade 2. Extra class grade, grade 1 and grade 2. Pests of lychee. First is fruit fly. Bactocera dorsalis, management or control. Use or spray tricloform at the rate 5 gram in 10 liter of water. Fruit borers. Fruit fly. Bactocera dorsalis. Fruit fly of lychee. Bactocera dorsalis. Apply tricloform at the rate 5 gram in 10 liters of water. Fruit borer. Cryptophobia illepida. Control by use fenvalerate at the rate 0.01%. So fruit borer is the Cryptophobia illepida. Control, apply or spray fenvalerate at the rate 0.01%. Eriophyte mite is the Acaria lychee. Control pruning, apply spinosyn. Eriophyte mite is the Acaria lychee. Control by pruning and apply spinosyn. Bark eating caterpillar is Inderbella tetragonus. Control plugging the holes with formalin. Bark eating caterpillar Inderbella tetragonus. Control plugging the holes with formalin. Red rust in lychee is caused by algae. Control spray sulfur 3 times in autumn and spring. So red rust disease in Lychee can be occurred by algae. Control, spray sulfur 3 times in autumn and spring. Physiological disorders, 4 types of physiological, 5 types of pests we have already known, and 4 types of disorders. First is little leaf. Little leaf is caused due to zinc deficiency. Control, apply zinc sulfate. Little leaf is caused by zinc deficiency. Control, apply zinc sulfate. Fruit crack is due to excess water with high temperature. Control, properly irrigate the crop. Fruit crack in lychee is caused due to excess water with high temperature. Control, properly irrigate the crop. Chicken tongue disease or disorder can also be occurred in lychee due to embryo abortion. Control, properly pollinate the crop. Chicken tongue disorder in lychee due to embryo abortion. Control, properly pollinate the crop. Sunburn in lychee can also be occurred due to direct exposure of sunlight. Control, practice sod culture. Which type of culture is used to control the sunburn disorder of lychee? Sod culture is used to control the sunburn disorder of lychee. Sunburn is caused due to direct exposure of sunlight. Then future thrust of lychee.